Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 43-inch Samsung Smart LED TV. Here in this TV the complaint is white shaded picture along with flickering problem. See friends, this is the fault. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the left side or right of the glass panel. However, if the shorting is in any one side, then we can repair it by a temporary fixing method. If both sides Gatesignals are short, then it's difficult to repair. The permanent solution is always panel replacement, and we can't predict how long the display will work using this temporary fixing method. It completely depends on user luck basis. See friends, this TV comes with a 43-inch AUO panel. Here you can see the TCON board. Also along with that you can see two FFC cables representing both left and right side of the panel scaler board. So here we are going to implement the taping method for masking the Gatesignals to prevent they entering to panel scaler board from the shorted side. These are the Gatesignals from right and left side respectively. So friends, here first we are going to block the right side Gatesignal tracks and check the picture is okay or not. Using taping method you need to block Gatesignals as shown in the video. If picture is okay, then do nothing. If picture is not okay, then remove the taping from right side and use it on left side FFC cable for masking Gatesignals. If both sides Gatesignals short, then it's not possible to repair. See friends, finally here we block the right side Gatesignals. After blocking the right side Gatesignal, now the picture is clear and the TV display is fixed by this temporary fixing method. But always remember that this is just only temporary solution. Permanent is always panel replacement, and we can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis. So that's it. Hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.